In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how you can copy over the single page checkout from the new hero theme into your Elements theme. In this account, I have two storefronts. The UltraCart Store one is running the Elements theme, and the UltraCart Dev one is running the hero theme. I'll first switch to the hero theme and then navigate to the File Manager. We'll go into Themes, Hero, Theme, and Containers. This is where the container files for the checkout are located. We're going to check the box next to Checkout Single CJSON and Checkout Single VM. Next, we'll choose the copy icon. From the drop-down, we'll see all the directories for the hero theme, but we can also copy into the Elements theme. So we're going to copy into its Themes, Elements, Theme, Containers. We'll choose Next. There will be no conflicts because the other theme does not have that file already, and then we'll click on Finish. The next thing we need to do is take a look at the template that Hero uses for its single page checkout. This #parse statement is what brings in the actual Visual Builder container, and you'll notice that it's between the PayPal banner top and the mailing list sign up. I'm going to go ahead and copy this over to my clipboard. I'm now going to switch into my Elements storefront, and we're going to go into the Templates, Checkout, and then down to Single VM. There's a lot of code in the current template for the single VM. I'm going to go ahead and highlight all the code that was in there between those two and delete it. I'm now going to paste in the other parse statement that I put on my clipboard. Now my single.vm in the Elements theme looks like the same as the hero theme. We'll go ahead and browse the Elements storefront. We now have the new single page checkout from the hero theme in the Elements storefront. As you can see, it'll have all the new dynamic nature that is available with the new visually built checkout.